In this video, I'm going to unbox this kit. It's the 10-in-1 kit for the Nintendo Switch. So if you're looking forward to the new game that's coming out, that's the Switch Sport, which is just like the Wii Sports, but a little bit better. So this is what you're looking for. So if you want to see what's inside this one and what that's like, then you're in the right place, so stick around. Hi guys, welcome back to Lee's Tech Room. Like I said for the intro, just going to unbox this one for the Nintendo Switch. It's all the accessories kit. So if you're familiar with the Wii, then you'll probably know about the Wii Sports game, which had lots of games like bowling and tennis and some other stuff. I think there was snowboarding and ski jump, I think, or something like that. It's been a while since I played it. I think you needed the board for it. I do actually have one down there, but I don't have the game, unfortunately. But they are bringing out the Switch Sports, which is obviously for the Switch, and that's going to be amazing. I've looked into it. They're going to have some other games as well, which is going to be really cool. So I'll be interested to have a look at that. So I've got this 10-in-1 kit for the accessories, everything that you need for the Switch for this game. So hopefully I'm going to unbox it and have a look and see what's inside it, and then hopefully we're going to have some good stuff here. So let's just get right into it. Hopefully you can see okay. Well, I'll just hold it up so you can see what's on there. That's enough of that. Let's get into it. Let's get it open. It's quite a nice box actually. It's really well packed. Everything that we need in there, look at all that. There's loads of stuff in there, well, 10 things obviously. So this is for the Joy-Cons. So that is was there any instructions? I'm pretty sure that's a wrist one, but there's nothing in there let's just get them all out and then we can see what we got. Like that. Like that. Let's move that over there a little bit. There's some other ones. So that, well, the Joy-Cons go in there as well. So I'm not really sure at the moment which ones go where. So let's work this one out together. Get them all open first. Get rid of all this paper because I'm sure it's making a lot of noise. Pretty sure I know what that is. Pretty sure I know what we're going to be doing with that. Certainly not different colour ones, but you know, not the end of the world. That's just a holder for it. Get rid of that, and oh, here we go. That's bloody obvious as well, isn't it? So that's it. That's the lot. All right, so we know what they're going to be like. We know what they're going to be like. Do those in a minute. And so that is either an arm strap or a leg strap. Well, that's the armband. It says inside. It says inside. That's the armband, and it doesn't say what side, but so it doesn't really matter. So let's just grab hold of your controller, and then simple as that. As simple as that. That is so easy. And then you strap it on. That doesn't look very, oh, it's wrist though, isn't it? Armband. Surely it's off for the wrist, because you won't get that around your arm. Yeah, so when you're running, obviously not like that, but that's it. So when you're running, and then you got one, and you got one for your leg. This must be a leg one. What's that? That is universal joypad grip. That's just a universal grip. So this one just pops into there. Well, it doesn't seem that secure, but it's a bigger strap, so you can put it on your leg. I guess so. That must be the leg one. So you put it in. How do you do that? Put it through there. That doesn't stay on though, does it? Bear with me. I know what I'm doing. So that's obviously leg one because it's huge. So you put that on your leg and then you can do your old leg, because that's really good Velcro, because I thought it was actually sewed on. So that goes onto your leg. That's fine. So then you do your legging on that. So when you're running, that's going to be awesome. So it does your, I suppose it does your wrist, does your arm movements and your leg movements for your running. I don't know, I haven't played the game yet, so I'm just assuming it's going to be like that, I don't know. So this one is, it's got straps on it as well. So there you go, that probably goes through the back there. And then that just pops in forward and then, there. It's even got the, even had the light across the front there. If you press the button again, hang on a minute, just make sure it's doing it. Oh, see the light on the front there? That's pretty cool. So that's cool. I mean, it's just like a bigger controller. I like it, I like it, I like that a lot. Right, so that's the controllers. That's for your running and whatever you'll be doing, whatever else you're doing. How'd you get these out quickly? Oh, you just push them out from the back. That's cool, I like that. Let's do some golfing. Oops, drop that one on the floor. We don't need that at the moment. We only need one to show you what it's like anyway. So I guess it goes that way. Yep, yeah, it's shaped inside for this bit, for the controller, for the back button. Oh, it's so easy to go in, it's really good. Oh, and you can still press the button on the back. There's a, what's that button for? Oh, okay, you can take that off. Universal, I suppose, so you can put something else on there, or if it breaks. I like it. You got, no, they're just holders. So you can still get to everything and you can, well, so that's tennis, but do your golf. I like it, that's very good. Very, very, very good, very good. And much of the same, it's shaped again, so you just slot that in. Oh, I get it. It's shaped for the left-hand one, so you put it in there. Okay, so this is for player 2, that's for player 1. But you can still use your right hand, I'm sure. You can still get to the button. I like it. I can't wait to get the game. It's going to be so good with all these accessories. That is everything. Oh, just pick that one up. So that is all the accessories. That looks really good. The guy I bought it off on Amazon as well, I'll link it down below. He does do a 9-in-1 kit. I'll show you what comes in that one in a minute. So that's it. That is the kit. It's really well presented, it's really well packaged, and it's a brilliant kit. So if you're wondering how much this kit is and the 9-in-1 kit is, click on the links down below and then it'll take you straight to the Amazon page and it'll show you exactly how much it is. Okay, so obviously I can't actually test any of this yet because I don't have the game. It's not been released yet. So when it comes out, maybe I'll do another review on that one. I'll do the actual game. I probably might do a recording of it. Let me know in the comments down below if you want me to do that, then I will. Okay, so that's it from me. I've been Lee's Tech Room. See you later. Bye.